ready to talk to it. I just did that like 75% being there on this tournament. Most definitely, I wouldn't have to pass it on, don't worry. But I did that for a while and it was really cool. I had this storm that rolled through. This one is crazy. I mean, I did like Noah's Ark style walk. It's a pretty big hill, so I'm going to kind of quiet, so that's gets loud. But I think you'll hear me that if you throw your hands in there and scream really loud, it makes the bus go faster. So, oh, we're speeding up, guys, one more time. Look how fast we're going.
Go on, Lucy.
Oh my god.
I really can't go any faster.
So, right here you guys see one more sign. It says 1890. Anyone want to take a guess what that means?
Yeah.
No, so if you guys call him Scott, he won't respond to it. But anyways, we're going to head up this way. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the area as we're going. First off, I'm going to start by these purple flowers. They kind of disappeared. You guys kind of see where they used to be. They're along these ways as well. That is going to be our fireweed. So fireweed is a pretty cool plant. You know, I like it so much, I just threw it right on my inside of my boots right here. So I love to talk about it. Fireweed. So time trips, we are going to take summer months. You guys can take the winter months. So you guys understand, you know, we kind of already booked it out. But those cabins, those are actually where all of us guides live on land. So we live here from about April to October-ish, about 6 days a week. Those cabins, especially our personal cabins, man, you guys, they have so many amenities. They have no heat, no power, no running water. But, you know, we do have fun. We have a lot of fun. Fun. I don't pay them to say that. My mom does. Yeah, but we actually do love talking about our camp life. So if you guys want to know anything about it as we're kind of traveling through, feel free to ask us. But I do want to show you guys the scenery quite a bit. Where animals are more likely to hang out. So once I got a little bit further in the season, I got to go talk to it. I just did that like 75% being there on this tournament. Most definitely, I wouldn't have to pass it on, don't worry. But I did that for a while and it was really cool. I had this storm that rolled through. This one is crazy. I mean, I did like Noah's Ark style walk.
Alright, guys. Well, if you just kind of watch out here, we got this other bus coming on up.
It's nice. It's pretty much like summer camp for adults out here. We have 11 guides, and they all range. They're all right around mid-20.
How do they find the guides? I mean, how did you find this great job? Is this your first year doing this?
This is my second year out here.
Oh, okay.
So I use a website called Cool Work. Totally depends on when you're out. Sometimes we get our weekends off. Sometimes we work on the weekends. But then sometimes.
Hey, Scott, say hi.
Usually you get like one day off a week. Yeah, it's nice. You get to go back.
Mountain cranberries. So they grow on these branches like this, and you'll see them all over the place out here in the woods.
You can see all the berries growing.
So the red ones can be, that's a really ripe one, right?
Yep, yeah, so you want them like super red. Like these guys are a little bit yellow still. And that's just the ones that grow on the tops of the trees like that. Because there are some poisonous berries that you'll find down here.
Mm-hmm.
Like these guys right here. These are poisonous. This is the baneberry. And they grow very close to the other berries, like this one right here. But there's nothing, I guess we ate all those berries.
tiny one?
A tiny one. Whoa!
That's the only power you have?
Alright, then we'll head to the left here. We won't cross this road. Then once we're out from under these trees, we'll get full view of that glacier. Not full view, but our first view.
Oh jeez, look at the glacier.
Alright guys, and once everybody's down here, we'll go over a little safety talk, and then we'll get cruising. Him. This is named after a George Davidson. So who was George Davidson, you might ask? Well, he was an early surveyor, astronomer, and engineer that lived in the 1800s. And he spent the vast majority of his life surveying the Pacific Northwest, including Alaska. And he was brought up to Alaska to survey